Hello everyone, good evening. Today I would like to give a presentation about my subject Module 2 assignment, article analysis and presentation. My name is Ibrahim Syed and my student ID is 08878898 about info systems for managers 7B07. My first point for the presentation is about article selection and summary. Today I am talking about the article title of IoT Governance, a State of Art and a Comparative Analysis. This article I selected IoT Governance, a State of Art and a Comparative Analysis by Sedrati Mizrioi and Aouda from the year 2022. It explains what can be considered about governing IoT as well as its development and future enhancements. The study also established that the development of a proper IoT governance framework is a critical area to address due to IoT application security and privacy concern. In the article calls for developing an extensive strategy of IoT governance that will help to eliminate the threat in IoT system security fields. The first point for the module is application to the idea of module. This article is consistent with some of the ideas we discussed in module 2 of our course, such as IT governance, security, privacy and use of regulations in the light of trending technologies like IoT. IoT governance and IT governance framework. This one is the first point. The article discussion on IoT governance is in line with the IT governance framework we learn on class. According to the article, IoT governance is critical to ensuring the transforming the use of IoT solution. The obligatory requirement of a well-defined IT governance framework is a crucial component of IT governance since it helps organizations to create and implement their IT architecture and management to meet standard essential of optimum operation, including protection against cyber threat and relevant legal compliance. The second point defines digital privacy and ethical issues in IoT. This article focus on the privacy challenges in IoT governance links or topic of digital privacy and ethical ramification in information system to this article. The third point defines security of IoT devices, for example, computer security measures. The security challenges in IoT device are described in this article is context of which our analysis of computer security measure corresponds. IoT devices are also generally susceptible to cyber threat because of low level of security adopted. The fourth point defines about legal and regularity compliance in IoT. The second important issue discussed in the article is the legal and regularity constraint related to IoT system in this regard. The article outlines and analysis the aspect of IoT governance with regard of legal and regularity compliance. I would like to come to the conclusion of my presentation. To sum up, the article under discussion can be considered as the example of practical implementation of the theoretical information formulating the content of module 2. In this way, it fills the gap in existent theoretical models of IoT governance, security, privacy, and memorandum analyzing the most popular IoT governance models an actual measure of their security and compliance with privacy legislation. Comparing the model explored in the article, it is easier to determine how various approaches to governance handle the emerging and swift problem associated with IoT, most notably security and privacy. This paper emphasized the need to have good structure of governance so that IoT systems are effective in their working while the same time being compliant. Therefore, it is a worthy addition to the existing college regarding IT governance in the advanced technology. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. Have a good one.